I loved writing my book, Anything's Possible. Here's just a little bit from it. Anything's possible if you possess the courage to take the first step and then demonstrate the perseverance to press on. Whatever you decide to achieve, you will not be successful until you believe you can do it. Regardless of what you choose to do, you will never do it until you believe you can. Your imagination has no limits. Replace negative thinking with positive I can thinking, and every desire can be yours. Those who expect to succeed, shown by their very presence that they are confident, a winner bent on achievement, for there is no substitute for self-reliance and no better way to approach life than with preparation and a belief that anything is possible. Remember, you can read the word impossible two ways, and I choose to read this way. I'm possible. How do you choose to read the word impossible?